So I'm often asked, what do I do if I've been involved in a car wreck? Well, I'm going to tell you 4 things that you must do if you've been involved in a car wreck. Number 1, call the police, get a police officer out there to investigate the crash and to draw up a police report. The reason you need to have a report is the officer's going to come out there and find the other driver at fault for the wreck and put that in his report. Number 2, he's going to have the other driver's license information and insurance information in the report, and we need that to get a claim open, which you'll need with the other driver's insurance company to recover. Number 2, I want you to take pictures at the scene of the crash. Take pictures of your car, take pictures of the other car. If you need to, take a picture of the roadway. That could be very important later because roadways change. If there are any skid marks from the other car, take pictures of it. And then also, what we want to do if you've been involved in a crash is get phone numbers of anybody that said they were a witness. I can't tell you how many times that somebody will say, this driver behind me stopped, they said it was the other driver's fault, the police officer got there and that other driver was late to work and they were already gone, and now we have a dispute if the other driver doesn't admit what was going on. And with that eyewitness and that phone number, we can contact them, we can solve any disputes, solve any problems. That's really important to get names and phone numbers of witnesses. Number 3, seek medical help. If you sit home and hurt, you're only hurting yourself. We have to document the injuries you suffered in the wreck, and the way we do that is through medical records. When you go to the hospital or you go to the doctor, they're going to write down what you tell them, that you were hurt in a wreck, what parts of your body hurt. But they're also going to document things they find, such as on physical examination, they may find you have muscle spasms in your neck. That's really important because you can't make that up. Insurance companies a lot of times will say, well, your client might be lying about this or that. Well, you can't lie about having muscle spasms in your neck. So the more things we document, the better off we are when we're trying to prove your injuries. Especially if you sit home and you wait maybe 2 weeks to go to the doctor, they're going to use that against us every day. They're going to say, well, he might not have been hurt that bad because they didn't go to the hospital that day or the next day. Heck, they didn't go for 2 weeks. You're only hurting yourself. If you get in a wreck and you get hurt, go get medical treatment. And number 4, contact an injury lawyer. Contact an experienced injury lawyer, not somebody that does divorce 1 minute, DUI cases the next, bankruptcy the next. Contact an experienced injury lawyer who knows how to take on these insurance companies, and they do it every day. You know, these insurance companies, they're out to save money. They don't do what's right. I used to represent them, I can tell you that. What they're going to do is try to save money, and if they can get you to say something that'll hurt your case and save them money, they're going to get you to say it. They're trained to get you to say it. So contact an injury lawyer at the very beginning who can walk you through what you need to do, what you need to say, and the things that you don't need to say that they can flip around and use against you. We're not going to tell somebody not to tell the truth, no, but you may say something that sounds to you to be innocent that they can take and flip around on you and use against you to say you could have avoided the crash, you could have stopped sooner, you could have swerved here or there. Don't do that. Get somebody on your side to help you.